Your passive income plan starts here. In this video, I will share a fast and simple plan to build passive income by making money online. It's something anyone can do. No previous skills or experience are needed. If you are looking for a proven way to create long-term passive income, stick with me till the end. This video is for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. And as you can see from the view out our living room window, it's a cold winter day here in the Northeast. So I've been making money online full time almost since the start of the internet. Passive income has always been my driving force. It's how I got out of the rat race of just trading my time for money like you would do in a traditional job or most other side hustles. It's how I leverage my time. Today, thanks to passive income, I ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer and make money while I'm at it. How cool is that? So by now, I'm sure you are sold on the idea of passive income and how it can change your life too. All you need is a solid passive income plan to get there. Well, here's what I do, and like I said earlier, anyone can do it. It's a simple but lucrative affiliate marketing opportunity. It's all done online, and talk about leveraging your time. It only takes a few hours a week whenever it's convenient for you. You can do this from just about anywhere. I even do it while I'm out sailing. With our unique Quick Start training, you can make money fast. Many new people make money the very first day and create long-term passive income too. We get paid fast, no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. You will love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit. This business comes with everything you need to create passive income online, fast and easy. All of the sales tools, landing pages, sales pages, and follow-up emails. You will have access to the best training and support in the home business industry. We hold daily live Zoom calls, and they're recorded if you can't be there live. We have an excellent training website with dozens of how-to videos and a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. Plus, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. You will be able to reach out to me by email, text, Facebook Messenger, or my personal cell anytime you need help. I will show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day thanks to passive income. Again, even if you've never done anything like this before. To learn more about this passive income plan and to start making money later today, take our online tour at joebarclay.com/passive. Again, that's joebarclay.com/passive. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.